We're just unwrapping a top performance kit for the Piaggio. Just figured show it off in case anyone's looking to buy one. Gaskets. Check out the piston. So I got this kit because I wanted like a reliable cast kit, tool ring. A lot of the Piaggio kits are single ring and aluminum, which are awesome and rippers, but for the goal of this bike, I just wanted something uberly reliable. I wanted to run the stock carb, airbox, all that stuff, so I thought this would be the right kit for it. And it looks great. I mean, look at the ports on it. I think it was like 180 bucks. Perfect. We'll see how it goes on the bike.